In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Copyright Check tool in CapCut PC. If you want to keep your videos from being muted or flagged after upload, this built-in check is a quick way to verify your background music and sound effects before you export. Start by finishing your audio layout. Make sure all of your background tracks and sound effects are placed exactly where you want them on the timeline. When your audio is set, look to the upper left side of your screen and open the Audio tab. Scroll down until you see the section labeled Copyright and click it. This is where CapCut keeps its copyright safety checker, so you can run a scan without leaving your editing workspace. Next, click the blue check button. As soon as you do, CapCut will instantly begin scanning every audio element on your timeline. It compares what's in your edit against an online database to verify whether your tracks are safe for public platforms. Make sure you're connected to the internet so the scan can reach that database. The check is non-destructive, so it won't change your clips, your volume levels, or any effects. It simply analyzes what's there. The scan only takes a few seconds. When it finishes, you'll see clear feedback. If your audio passes, CapCut displays a green notice that says Passed. That's your signal that the music and effects you've used are unlikely to trigger standard copyright detection when you upload. If a track fails, CapCut will pinpoint the exact clip on your timeline that caused the issue. It highlights where the problem is, so you don't have to hunt for it. From there, you can cut that section, swap the song, or replace it with a different track that you're licensed to use. After you make a change, you can click Check Again to confirm the fix. Since it's so fast, it's easy to rerun as you refine your edit. A few quick tips to keep results accurate. Run the check after you've placed all the audio you intend to export, because adding new music later can change the outcome. Lowering volume or ducking won't bypass detection, since the match is based on the audio content itself. And while a pass notice is a strong indicator, always follow the licensing terms for any third-party music you include, as platform policies can vary. Instant audio clearance scans right inside your editing dashboard. You're all set. Done. Now you can export with confidence, knowing you've taken a simple step to prevent mutes and claims before your video goes live.